Hi, good morning, everyone, and welcome to another Drift Exhaust live exhaust sound reveal. Again, I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing a walk around and a sound reveal on this European bike. So, for those of you who don't know this bike yet, stay tuned because I'm gonna do a walk around again and explain, I guess, the features that I know about this bike and why I think this is one of the best, bikes out there, especially if you're a beginner and you're looking for something, very practical, not that expensive, and easy to handle, and powerful. This is one of the bikes that I could recommend to you in buying. So before we start, again, we're gonna do a shout out first to people who are watching us. It is a nice Saturday morning. Di siya maulan. Medyo cloudy pa nga, which is just perfect for us to do this live sound reveal. Of course, before we do that, we want to say hi to everyone who's watching. Kay Jolly Mika Bansag of TICP. Good morning to you, brother. Kay John Michael Nakalis, kay Jojo Jitur Lopez, kay Alvin De La Cruz, from John Michael, who is all the way from Cagayan de Oro City. Mabuhay kayo dyan. Kay Kevin Bill, kay Riven Olendo, shout out from Rojas City, Capiz, all the way from Rojas City, Capiz. Kay Leomar Meja Saldivar, kay James Tempe Ranteg, sending good vibrations. Thank you for the good vibrations, brother. Sending good vibrations to you too. Kay Geraldo Di Maculanga, who is the brother of the owner of this bike, who is one of our loyal customers as well. Brother, miss ka na namin dito. Kailan mo dadalhin yung sports car mo? Ferrari na ba yan? Kay Raf, shout out from Red Boys. Kay Santos Arnel, kay Riven Orlando, shout out all the way from Capiz. Kay Benjo Del Rosario, kay JJ Lim Jose, kay from Tondo, kay si JJ Lim Jose all the way from Tondo. Kay Raven Orlando from Rojas City. Ang dami natin nanonood sa Rojas City right now. John Paul Lester Tan, Chris Gonzora, Gongora, ayan. Kay Sherwin, all the way from Makati naman. Sherwin Domingo, kay Brother Jet, brother, kamusta na? Kay Friends Marco, kay Cristobal Libiran, yan, dami na natin nanonood. Shout out sa Red Boys, kay Ref, kay Ayel, Ryan, Absulio, shout out. Kay Leo de Monito, shout out. All right, I think we have, I guess, more than enough viewers right now. Si EL is all the way from Lukban, Quezon. Kay Nard Nual, yan, shout out to you, brother. Kay Rocky Mendoza, shout out to you. Kay David Jose, next na demulag kayo. All right. I hope you guys share this live because I'm gonna do a walk around of this bike and also do a live sound reveal. And I think we have more than enough viewers for us to do it right now. So let's just do that. Okay. So this is really the Triumph Trident 660. One of the things that you will really draw, or that it will really draw attention you to, is how this bike looks. It looks really good. It looks amazing. So this is a naked bike that rewards its rider with confidence because of its handling, along with that superior technology for that engaging riding experience. Based from doing a test drive with this bike and the CB650, which I think is one of its closest rival. Based from my feedback in terms of handling, I think this slightly edges out the CB650 in terms of handling. This bike does feel powerful, even if it only has a 660 cc engine. In terms of the weight distribution, or I think the weight, this feels a lot lighter than the CB650 as well. Okay, so this bike features a full LED lighting system. Yan yung headlight niya. So that really lights up the road at night. So the Trident 660 also comes with a set of lightweight sporty cast 17 inches aluminum. So it's got a 17 by 120 and 70 tires in front, and at the back it's got this 17 by 55 180 tire in the rear. It looks really talagang malapad siya. It looks really wide, especially if you're gonna compare it to the CB650. It's also got this multi function instrument with TFT. Let us try to start it. Yan ang makikita mo. Sobrang classic, but at the same time modern. So good job to Trident for being able to design something like this. In terms of safety and security, it includes ABS, traction control, and even rain riding modes for maximized rider control. And for its mechanicals, ito nandito for its engine, the Trident comes with a 3-cylinder. That's why yung headers niya, you're gonna see like 3 pipes only coming from the engine, with a 600cc liquid cooled 12 valves double overhead cam engine, which produces a healthy 80 horsepower and 64 Newton meter of torque. For those of you who have tried this, I don't know what is the top speed of this bike. Does anyone know what is the top speed of this bike? But I'm sure this is a really fast bike. I know it comes with I think 4 variants, and this is one of the top premium variant that they have. I think this is around 505,000 pesos. But I think from what I know, or from what I've heard, the latest delivery, which is gonna come soon, might be a little bit more expensive, around 7,000 pesos more. So I think if you guys want this bike, I guess it's better for you to get it now. Otherwise, I think the price of this bike is gonna keep on climbing up. Nonetheless, it's really a beautiful bike. I'm gonna show you the exhaust design. So, yan, ito yung headers niya, and all the way back to our muffler tip. And right now, I'm gonna call the owner. Brother, tika na dito. So, the owner has been one of my loyal customers. He previously owns a Montero, which he still owns right now, and still has a drift exhaust in his Montero. And he's a shy type person, pero sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang mag-alala, akong bahala sa'yo. His name is Dayo. Brother, thank you again for your trust and coming back this time with a very beautiful Triumph Trident 660. Why did you choose this bike pala, if you don't mind me asking? Bakit ito pinili mo, brother?
Gawa ng bayaw ko. Hindi. Basta, bago sa paningin ko.
Right. So, personally kasi, yung mga pagpipilian mo, yung mga CB, yung Triumph, right, lahat magaganda. But I think what sets the Triumph apart from the rest is that in terms of the looks department, medyo kakaiba sa paningin, right? And I think Triumph has done a good job in terms of the design. Tapos at the same time, you're getting 3 cylinders na. So, paparinig na natin sa kanila, brother, kung anong tunog ng 3-cylinder. My goal here is to, make it sound as close to a 4-cylinder, kasi gusto natin yung scream ng 4-cylinder. But of course, each engine will sound differently from each other because the exhaust sound will be dictated by the engine. But right now, let's just do that. Punta ka muna sa kabila, brother. Gagawin natin dito, start mo muna. Huwag mo munang i-rev. So yan. Yan. Again, it's got that deep growl. Malalim lang siya, brother. Mayabang daw. So punta ka sa kabila, i-rev mo na ng konti. Pakinggan na natin yung rev niya. Ano, brother? Ayos ba? Ayos ba? Parinig natin sa kanila ulit. Ang sarap, ang sarap. Brother, ano masasabi mo sa tunog ng exhaust mo?
Medyo tahimik lang.
Medyo tahimik lang.
Ayos, ayos.
Ayos. Papaikot natin siya, papakita. Mel, paikot nga, brother. Paikot natin. So, pakinggan natin siya habang iniikot yung bike in our place. Sige, rev mo, Mel. Iba. Ang sarap sa tenga. Alright, so pupuntahan na natin yung may-ari ng bike. At brother, baka may gusto kang i-shoutout. Ipakilala natin yung mga kasama mo.
Oh, si Bayaw, Clinton.
Hi.
Hi.
Bayaw, Clinton. Saan Kuya Jason?
Alright.
Oh, bati mo na.
Meron kayong gustong batiin or shoutout?
Yan. Shoutout kay Grisha.
Trisha, okay, Trisha, nagpaalam na.
Shoutout lahat ng taga Lucena.
Oh, yun oh. Oh, brother, ikaw. Shoutout.
Wala. Okay na.
Alright,
Okay na.
brother, maraming salamat sa trust. I hope you're gonna enjoy the bike. And he is sporting our Drift Exhaust jersey. Again, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.